Hi, welcome back to the channel. So if you're getting an error code on your Dimplex Quantum high heat retention storage heater, error code 32, and it says please press for 10 seconds the enter button to stop the LED flashing, that resets it. But the reason behind error code 32 is that the internals of this heater are getting too warm. So there's a lack of ventilation. Now in the manual, you may see a diagram like this. And what it is it needs space to breathe. Because on the top, left and right, there are vents. And these allow the air to be sucked in or blown out. Now if they get blocked or restricted airflow, you will get this error code 32 and have to reset. As you can see from this Quantum, the bottom right air vent is blocked by a book and something else, and the bottom left air vent is blocked by some shoes. And in addition, the top right air vent is also blocked by a book, leading to this error code 32. I have now removed the blockages from all the air vents at the top right, bottom right, and now move the shoes on the bottom left, and then the top left is clear. Ensure the blockages have been removed and there is at least a 150mm gap around all the air vents and 300 at the bottom vent. Now to reset, press and hold the select button for 10 seconds and it will stop flashing red and the error code 32 will disappear. There we go. This has now been reset. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons to support the channel. Also, in the description, I will put a link for the playlist for other useful videos on how to best use your Dimplex Quantum heaters.